Alright, instead of showing the usual sunshine and roses of awesome custom fab and making weird ass shit and things like that, I want to show you some of the day-to-day crap. So, sometimes we get these dump trucks that decide to break their tailgate latch cylinder, and you got to crawl up underneath this thing, dirty ass old dump truck, propping yourself up on two ribs, your left elbow and your right toe, and try to do a half-ass decent weld, which I'm okay with that because I'm so far out of position. But yeah, some days it eats your ass and some days you eat its ass. But yeah, not so much sunshine and roses. Still fun as hell though. Anyway, that's all I got. See ya.